Hi there, Hot Wheelers. It's Craig and Dion again here from Hot Wheels Boys. Today we thought we'd do a race with one of the Bugattis that we got. The Bugatti, what's it?
Bugatti Veryon.
Bugatti Veryon, yep. There's the guy that knows all the name of all the cars. That's my son Dion. Right, we will race this Bugatti Veryon against six
hypercars.
Six hypercars, yep. So we'll go and select the 6 hypercars now. Let's go, guys. So here we go, guys. Yeah, the cars. Sorry, Dion, select cars, please.
I think the Porsche 9.
Right, let's get them out. Let's get it. Yep.
And the Lamborghini Hurricane Super Fail.
Rightio. What else have we got? What's that?
The Ferrari 599.
Ferrari 599. What else?
Aston Martin Vantage.
Aston Martin Vantage.
One.
Oops.
Pagani Huayra.
Pagani Huayra. And what about the Bugatti? We can get another Bugatti there.
The Bugatti and there's one more.
Yep.
One more. We got 5. 1, 2, 4,
6.
6. Yeah.
6. So these are the cars that we're going to race against.
That cool Bugatti.
So those are the challenges. So let's get racing, guys. Let's see how many can win against the new Bugatti Veryon. Okay, here we go, racers. This is the first race. Racers ready?
On your marks, get set, go. Looks like that yellow Bugatti Veryon is taking the first win.
Here we go, guys. We've got race 2. And racers ready?
On your marks, get set, go. Looks like the Hurricane Super Fail is tying it up.
Here we go, guys. This is race 3. They're all tied up. 1-1. So racers ready?
On your marks, get set, go. It's going to be the Ferrari 599 taking the second win.
So here we go, guys. This is race 4. Racers ready?
On your marks, get set, go. Looks like the Bugatti Veryon is taking its second win to tie it up in all the game.
Here we go, guys. This is race 5. Racers ready?
On your marks, get set, go. Looks like the Bugatti Veryon is taking its second win, but the Bugatti had come off the track.
Here we go, guys. It's the final race between the 2 Bugattis. It looks like the Veryon is winning 3, has won 3 races. So it's up to the Chiron to equal it. So racers ready?
On your marks, get set, go. The Bugatti Veryon takes the win.
So here we go, guys. This is the conclusion of the race. So the Bugatti
has won 4 races and the Hypercars has won 2. So the Hurricane Super Fail has won, beaten the Bugatti, and the Ferrari 599. And these are all the losers: the Aston Martin Vantage, the Pagani Huayra, the Porsche 911, and the Bugatti Chiron. Yeah. And please, if you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel.
Thanks, guys. Yeah, we really appreciate it. All the thumbs up that you guys give us, and all the comments that you put down below on our videos. We really appreciate it. And yeah, we like your guys' feedback. And if you like what you see, and if you want to see something else, please let us know, and we will try our best to accommodate you. Thanks again, and keep on Hot Wheeling.